All right, so the exercise that we just finished is what we call marginal analysis. It's looking at the marginal utility as opposed to the marginal cost and using that to determine how much of a good or whether or not we should consume a good, how much of a good we should consume, or whether or not we should consume a good at all. Okay, so if the marginal utility outweighs the marginal cost, then it makes sense to consume the good. Okay. So you might be saying, but George, Abby's third beer will give him a utility of 12.5 and 3 beers only cost 5.75. Why not continue consuming? You could say, sure, 3 beers is better than none, but the third beer is actually not worth the cost once you've already had 2, right? So if we go back, the third beer is 12.5 versus 5.75. So you're going to make 6.75 utility versus cost. That's going to be your difference between utility versus cost. 6.75. If you consume 2 beers, your utility versus cost is going to be 7. So it makes more sense to consume 2 beers. Okay. And this is really what we call marginal analysis. This is what it means to analyze on the margins. You're comparing the marginal utility versus the marginal cost.